Subscribe to Smart Tech channel and hit the bell icon for the latest updates from us.
The next smartphones sport a large 6.59-inch 19:9 Super AMOLED, ultra-full-view display, with an incredible screen-to-body ratio of 91.24%, which has been achieved earlier. To achieve this look, Vivo had to move the front-facing 8MP camera to the top, housed in a mechanized enclosure which will pop up when the camera app is opened. The Nex and Nex Ultimate also sport a fingerprint scanner embedded into the display region, using the same technology as we saw on the Vivo X21, but is touted to be 50% more accurate and 10% faster. The conventional earpiece on the front seems to be replaced with a cantilever piezoelectric earpiece integrated within the display, which propagates sound waves through vibrations, similar to the implementation seen on the original Vivo Mix. Ambient light as well as proximity sensors are hidden under the display as well. The rear camera is an IMX363 sensor with dual 12MP cameras and a pixel size of 1.4 microns. There also support for AI scene detection and AI HDR. There also 4-axis OIS for video recording. Under the hood, the Nex settles for a Snapdragon 710 coupled with 6GB of RAM and 128GB of storage, making it the second device after the Xiaomi 8 SE to be sporting this chip, while the Nex Ultimate gets the top-of-the-line Snapdragon 845 chip coupled with the Adreno 630 GPU and 8GB of RAM and 128/256GB of storage. Both phones sport a mammoth 4000 mAh battery. The phone also has a dedicated button for Vivo's own AI assistant named Jovi. Vivo has its own game engine embedded into the software along with DTS:X audio for a better gaming experience, which Vivo calls 3D gaming. The Vivo Nex and Nex Ultimate will be available in two colors, Diamond Black and Diamond Red, and while the Nex will be sold for 3898 yuan $608/41,000 Indian rupee, the Nex Ultimate will be sold for 4498 yuan $700/47,381 Indian rupee for the 128GB storage variant, while the 256GB variant is priced at 49.